Ah, the golden years. We've earned them, haven't we? But as much as we love a good crossword puzzle or reminiscing about the good old days, keeping our brains in tip-top shape becomes more and more critical, wouldn't you say? Well, what if I told you that something as simple as a cup of tea could hold the key to a sharper mind and a brighter future? Yes, you heard that right. Join me as we journey into the fascinating world of brain-boosting teas. So put the kettle on, settle in, and get ready to discover the delicious world of teas that can help you think clearer, remember more, and age gracefully. Our first stop takes us to the lush, verdant fields of green tea, a beverage enjoyed for centuries for its delicate flavour and remarkable health benefits. From ancient Chinese dynasties to modern-day wellness enthusiasts, green tea has been a staple in many cultures. Its subtle, soothing taste is just the beginning of its allure. But what makes green tea a true brain booster? The secret lies in its unique composition. Picture this: a tiny army of antioxidants, those microscopic warriors charging through your bloodstream, neutralizing harmful free radicals that can cause cellular damage, fiercely protecting your brain cells from damage. These antioxidants, particularly catechins, are incredibly potent and play a crucial role in maintaining brain health. Green tea is brimming with L-theanine, a remarkable amino acid with a special talent. It's known for its ability to promote relaxation without sedation. You see, it can slip past the blood-brain barrier, that protective shield guarding your brain. This allows L-theanine to directly influence brain function. Once inside, L-theanine works its magic, promoting relaxation and enhancing focus. It increases the production of alpha waves in the brain, which are associated with a state of wakeful relaxation. Without the drowsiness of a warm afternoon nap, this means you can stay alert and focused without feeling jittery or overstimulated. And let's not forget the caffeine. Green tea provides that gentle energy boost many of us crave, offering a more balanced and sustained energy release compared to coffee. But here's the clever part. The combination of caffeine and L-theanine is like a perfectly choreographed dance. They work together to enhance cognitive performance, improving attention and memory. Studies suggest that regular consumption of green tea may even lower the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. This makes green tea not just a delightful beverage, but a powerful ally in maintaining long-term brain health. Our journey now takes us back in time, to an era where the natural world held secrets that modern science is only beginning to uncover. We delve into the ancient world of ginkgo biloba, a tree that has stood the test of time for over 200 million years. This resilient tree has witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations, surviving ice ages and atomic bombs, a true testament to its endurance. In traditional Chinese medicine, ginkgo biloba is revered for its remarkable ability to enhance memory and sharpen the mind. For centuries, it has been a cornerstone in the apothecaries of ancient healers. Imagine, if you will, the delicate fan-shaped leaves of the ginkgo biloba tree, each one a marvel of nature's design. These leaves are packed with potent compounds called flavonoids and terpenoids, which are known for their powerful antioxidant properties. These remarkable compounds work in synergy to improve blood flow to the brain, ensuring that this vital organ receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs to function optimally. By enhancing circulation, ginkgo biloba supports cognitive function, helping to maintain mental clarity and focus. Studies suggest that ginkgo can also help alleviate anxiety, providing a natural way to manage stress and promote emotional well-being. Additionally, it has been found to combat the effects of mild depression, offering a sense of peace and tranquility to those who incorporate it into their daily routine. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your cognitive function, enhance your memory, and stay sharp in your daily tasks, while also promoting a sense of calm and well-being, ginkgo biloba might just be the answer you've been searching for. Look no further than this ancient tree, whose legacy of healing and resilience continues to benefit us today. Our next destination takes us to the sun-drenched fields of turmeric, where a vibrant spice with extraordinary brain-boosting powers is cultivated. Turmeric, with its distinctive golden hue, has long been celebrated in traditional medicine for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The true star of the turmeric show is a compound called curcumin. This remarkable phytonutrient possesses a unique ability. It can cross the blood-brain barrier, that formidable fortress protecting our brains. Once inside, curcumin acts like a valiant knight, shielding brain cells from the damaging effects of inflammation and oxidative stress. So as you savor the warm, earthy flavor of turmeric tea, envision your brain bathed in a golden glow, protected and revitalized by this remarkable spice. Rosemary. The aromatic memory enhancer. Our aromatic adventure now leads us to the fragrant gardens of rosemary, where a humble herb with extraordinary brain-boosting properties awaits. For centuries, rosemary has been prized for its ability to enhance memory and sharpen the mind. The key to rosemary's brain-boosting abilities lies in a compound called carnosic acid. Studies have shown that even simply inhaling the aroma of rosemary can lead to improvements in memory and cognitive function. Imagine the benefits of actually sipping on a warm cup of rosemary tea. So the next time you find yourself reaching for a mental pick-me-up, consider brewing a cup of rosemary tea. Lemon balm tea, the calming elixir for focus and memory. Our journey now takes us to the tranquil world of lemon balm, where a fragrant herb with a calming aroma and remarkable brain-boosting properties awaits. Lemon balm tea, with its delicate citrusy scent, has long been cherished for its ability to soothe the mind and promote relaxation. Studies have shown that lemon balm can enhance cognitive function, improve memory recall, and even boost mood. And here's a bonus. Lemon balm tea is a natural sleep aid. So the next time you find yourself feeling stressed or overwhelmed, consider brewing a cup of lemon balm tea. Sage tea, the wisdom herb for a sharper mind. Our journey now takes us to the sun-drenched hills of the Mediterranean, where a fragrant herb with a legendary reputation for boosting brain power thrives. This herb, known as sage, has been a staple in both culinary and medicinal traditions for thousands of years. Its leaves, rich in essential oils, have been used to flavor dishes and to create potent herbal remedies. Sage, whose very name evokes wisdom and knowledge, has been revered for centuries for its ability to enhance memory and sharpen the mind. Ancient civilizations, from the Greeks to the Romans, held sage in high esteem, believing it could improve mental clarity and even extend life. This potent herb is brimming with antioxidants, including rosmarinic acid, a powerful compound that protects brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants help to reduce oxidative stress, which is a key factor in cognitive decline and aging. Sage has also been shown to increase levels of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that plays a vital role in learning and memory. By preventing the breakdown of acetylcholine, sage helps to maintain higher levels of this crucial chemical in the brain, thereby supporting cognitive functions. So the next time you find yourself reaching for a mental boost, consider brewing a cup of sage tea. Not only will you be indulging in a soothing and aromatic beverage, but you'll also be tapping into a rich tradition of herbal wisdom that has been cherished for generations. Enjoy the calming ritual and let the wisdom herb work its magic on your mind. A peppermint tea, the invigorating brew for focus and clarity. Our invigorating journey now takes us to the crisp, refreshing world of peppermint, where a beloved herb with a remarkable ability to awaken the senses and stimulate the mind awaits. Peppermint tea, with its cool, invigorating aroma, has long been enjoyed for its ability to relieve digestive discomfort and promote a sense of well-being. Studies have shown that peppermint can improve memory recall, enhance focus and concentration, and even boost processing speed. And here's a bonus. Peppermint tea is a natural stress buster. So, the next time you find yourself needing a mental pick-me-up, consider brewing a cup of peppermint tea. Chamomile tea, the relaxing ritual for restful sleep and brain health. As our journey draws to a close, we find ourselves in a tranquil meadow bathed in the soft glow of twilight, where a gentle herb with a legendary reputation for promoting restful sleep awaits. Chamomile tea, with its delicate floral aroma and soothing properties, has long been cherished as a natural sleep aid. Studies have shown that chamomile can help to reduce anxiety, ease stress, and even improve mood. And here's a bonus. Chamomile tea is naturally caffeine-free, making it the perfect bedtime beverage. So the next time you're looking for a natural way to unwind after a long day, consider brewing a cup of chamomile tea. As we've discovered on our journey, the key to a sharper, healthier brain could be as simple as choosing the right cup of tea. What would you do today if you knew it could protect your brain tomorrow? Imagine sipping a cup of tea and knowing you're guarding your memories and keeping Alzheimer's at bay. So which tea will you try first? A golden turmeric latte, a fragrant rosemary brew, or a calming chamomile cup before bed? Treat your brain, because a healthy mind is always in fashion. We would love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments which tea you plan to try first to boost your brain power. Also subscribe and share this video with a friend, because staying healthy after 50 is a journey worth sharing. As always, we advise you to speak with your doctor or healthcare professional before making changes to your diet or exercise routine.